Uy, gamay-gamay man. Hindi man ni kay contract ni. Nanom ni si Sirman. Problem. Gamay naman ni Dalan eh. Sa nabigasyon ng sakto man. Mapapalaban ka na naman ito, Takay. Mapapalaban ka na naman ito.
Turn left onto L160. Turn left.
Unsa naman ni? Uy, unsa naman ni? Bruce Wheeler. Uy. Kita, lapad Dalan. Ay, salamat. May lapad niya, Dalan. Thanks God, thanks God, thanks God, thanks God. May lapad niya, Dalan.
Please follow the route for continue for 1 kilometer.
Uy. Ayan, buddy, oh. Nakikita ko na yung destination ko, mga buddy.
Turn left onto Hauptstrasse, then immediately, at the roundabout, take the second exit. Turn left onto K30.
Wala tali ko na buddy, pawala.
Turn left, then immediately, at the roundabout, take the second exit.
Ayan.
In 50 meters at the roundabout, take the
Gamay man eh. Dinding you turn about. Ari, gamay man eh. Uy. Ari, tinta ha. Lah. Yan di. Gamay. Patay tayo nito. Lah.
turn right. Then, your destination will be on the left.